Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase marketing strategy efficiency with Trello, full guide step by step clearly. To start increasing your marketing strategy efficiency with Trello, first, create a Trello account if you don't have one. Next, create a new board specifically for your marketing strategy. Choose a descriptive title that clearly conveys the purpose of the board. Once your board is created, add lists to represent different stages of your marketing plan. Typical lists might include ideas, in progress, review, and completed. Now it's time to add cards under each list. Each card can represent a specific task or project related to your marketing strategy. For example, under ideas, you can add cards for blog topics, social media campaigns, or email newsletters. As you begin to develop these ideas, move them to the in progress list. Assign team members to each card to ensure accountability. Utilize Trello's due dates feature to keep tasks on track. Add checklists within cards to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. You can also attach relevant files or links directly to each card for easy access. To foster collaboration, encourage team members to comment on cards with ideas or feedback. Regularly review the cards in the review list to assess progress. Make adjustments as necessary based on feedback and performance metrics. Consider using Trello's labels feature to categorize tasks by priority or type. You can also create automations using Trello's Butler feature to streamline repetitive tasks. Set up reminders for upcoming deadlines to keep everyone informed. At the end of each marketing campaign, reflect on what worked and what didn't. Use this feedback to improve your next cycle by updating tasks in Trello. Regularly audit your boards to ensure they align with your current marketing goals. By following these steps, you can maximize the efficiency of your marketing strategy using Trello. Embrace the flexibility Trello offers to adapt your workflow as needed. With a well-organized Trello board, your marketing efforts will become more streamlined and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.